manifestingdreamadc.com. In today's topic, we are going to discuss about how to manifest anything you want, law of attraction. So, are you guys ready? I'm sure you are. If you guys are ready, please drop a comment in the comment box as ready. So, have you guys commented it? Okay guys, so without wasting any time, let's dive into our video. Before that, please don't forget to like and to subscribe to my channel. It just motivates me to put the new videos for you guys. And also, if you're a new visitor, please consider in subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon for new video notification. So, without wasting any time, let's dive into our video. So, in today's topic, as I told you, we are going to discuss about how to manifest anything you want, law of attraction. In order to manifest anything you want, I can say that this is the only tool or the number one tool that can literally make anything work instantly like magic in 24 hours, perhaps less than 24 hours, for some 48 hours and so on. So, what you need to do is, this is the only one tool. Just make in your mind, that is by raising your vibration. Yes, you heard it right. By raising your vibration, you can manifest anything you want. Okay, so now you might be asking me that what has this raising vibrations do with the law of attraction? Let me tell you something. Why do you feel low? Why do you feel low? Because whenever you are focusing on your problems, you are feeling low. Suppose for some people it might be their relationship, for some it might be their financial problems, for some it might be their home, for some it might be a 3-day meal or something like that. If you're focusing on your problems, then the problems will arise instantly like magic, as the law of attraction always focus on like attracts like. So what you need to do is, you have to focus on the prosperity side, you have to focus on the abundance side. So when you focus on the prosperity, then the law of attraction will deliver you the prosperous side. When you are focusing on the negative version of lack or poverty, whatever it is, then the law of attraction or the universe will always show you that. So it's your time to decide what you need, whether to choose the prosperity or the abundance side, or whether to choose the lack or the needy or the creepy side. Which one you want? Of course, the first one, right? That is the positive side of this attraction, right? So when you want to focus on the abundance or prosperity, what you need to do is, you need to remove the energy of lack, you need to remove the energy of neediness. When you are doing that, then I'm sure that you can manifest anything you want, because this is something that makes your vibration to pull down, like our negative gravitation force. It is making you to pull, everything will be pulling down. So you don't want that. What you need is to rise like a phoenix, right? So in order to do that, you have to rise up. You have to think that I am able or I am capable to manifest anything that I wanted, whether it is in the case of relationships, whether it is the case of finance, whether it is case of your dream home, your dream apartment, or your your dream job, whatever it is. You can manifest anything you want. You have to think that you are the captain of your own ship, and you has the right to take which direction you wanted. And now the direction is in your hands, whether to choose the prosperity side or whether to choose the negative side. Of course, I know that everyone wants to go to the prosperous side, right? So what you need to do is, we need to think in the positive manner. When we are positive, our vibration increases. When our vibration increases, then automatically whatever we manifest, it will be manifested instantly. Of course, for some people, no, in most of the cases, we may be undergoing many lacks in our life. I know that we are manifesting our soulmate for a longer period of time, it may not be working. We are manifesting our baby, it may not be working. We are manifesting a dream car or dream home or dream job, whatever it is, it may not be working. I know that you are undergoing the series of problems, right? So perhaps this might be making you feel low, but no, you have to think, you have to just imagine the rule of manifestation. You have to take that in your mind, that the rule of manifestation is like attracts like. So when you focus on the presence of that, for example, if you are someone who is not having a baby, if you're always thinking like, I'm not having a baby, I'm not having a child, all my friends and family members, everyone is having the children, I'm the one only not having, if you're constantly thinking of this, then I'm sure that the universe will definitely is not going to work for you. Instead, what you want to think that yes, the universe will deliver whatever I wanted. Perhaps it is taking a little bit of time to make my child arrive in this world, right? Like that you can think. In case of your soulmate also, you can think in the same way, but do not go to the negative side. When you go to the negative side, then I know that I'm 100% sure that you cannot manifest anything you want, because it just pulls your vibration to be low. When your vibration is low, you cannot manifest anything. So the number one thing to manifest anything is by raising the vibration. And what makes this vibrations to increase? It's nothing but happiness. The happiness is the key to the successful manifestation. I can say that instead of happiness, we can replace it by enthusiasm. What makes you feel enthusiastic? That is something that you need to picture now. Okay, for example, in my case, putting new videos for you, reading lots of books and noting down the points and making a video for you guys for the betterment of the world is something that makes me feel happy. In the same way, there will be something that will be making you feel happy. For some, it is cooking and sharing with your friends or family members. For some, it may be shopping. For some, it may be designing a new costume. For some, it may be changing their paints of their home, changing their looks of themselves. For some, there may be certain things that you wanted to do for yourself, or that makes you feel happy. Do it. Just do this. Just do what makes you feel happy. Before that, I just want all of you guys to do the breathing exercise, because this breathing exercise is something that makes our mind and our body to be aligned. When our mind and body is aligned, then I'm sure that you can definitely manifest anything you want. When I say anything, it can be anything, whether it is your soulmate, whether it is your job, whether it is your baby, whether it is your car, whether it is your apartment, whatever it is, you can manifest anything you want in less than 24 hours or 48 hours. Okay, so have you understood it? What is the rule of this manifestation? Like attracts like. So you need to be in the positive state of mind. This positive state of mind is equivalent to our happiness, right? When you're thinking positive, the happiness will be attracted towards you. When you're happy, everything will change in and around you. The people, the way they look at you or where they treat you will be also increasing, right? They will be coming towards you. You will be more approachable towards them. This is something that you need to think, and you will become happy. When you are happy, the positivity in you will be shattering to all the people. But when you're happy, just like the sun is shattering its rays to each and every one of us, right? In the same way, when you are happy, you are able to make the people around you happy. You are able to make the surroundings happy. When they are happy, what happens is the vibration will increase here. When the vibration is increasing here, there is a sense of positivity, and the universe will grant anything to you instantly, like the magic. So you might be asking me that it is very difficult when we are needy of something and we are practicing the law of attraction and we are not getting it, right? When you're not getting it, please don't get disheartened. The number one way I can say is, what I personally does is, I just think that particular thing is with me. When I was manifesting my soulmate, I was unable to do it. So what I used to think that I have already manifested it. This is something that I always do. I always fake it till I get it. I used to fake it. I used to think that I'm going with him for the outing, I'm going with him for the day, he is offering me some chocolates, he is offering me some flowers, like that and all. You can make the fantasies in your life also. Then I'm sure that you can bring whatever thing you wanted into your life. Suppose you wanted to buy your dream car. So what you will do? You can imagine your dream car. You can just take the photos of the cars and Google, take the model that you wanted. You can imagine yourself holding the steering of your car, you're putting off this brake and all these things, you're tuning on the music of your car. You can imagine everything inside the car. And if you want a beautiful home as somebody, then you just go and take the picture of that house. You can imagine yourself gardening, you can imagine yourself cleaning the house. You are asking your servants or the maids of your house to clean the balcony area and all these things. If you are someone who is manifesting your child, you have to think that I have already manifested my child, my baby is there in my bed, I have to clean the bed for the baby, I have to clean the room for my baby, and all these things you can imagine. When you imagine, fake it till you make it. This is the rule. Fake it till you make it, then automatically your vibration will increase. There shouldn't be an energy of lack, right? Or this is the best case for all those guys who are not getting any messages from their ex-boyfriend or ex-husband or ex-girlfriend or ex-wife, whatever it is. If you are not getting his or her messages, what you should do, you should just take his message in the WhatsApp, just keep on writing whatever you want and just erase it. That's it. You have to think as if you both are chatting towards each other, even though he or she might be chatting with a different person during that time. But don't get disheartened. Just think that he is texting you. Just see his name and under that name typing the word, that particular sentences is coming, typing. That is something that makes us feel very relief. Just fake it. Then I'm sure that your vibration will increase. When your vibration is increasing, then you can manifest anything in your life. Okay, so I now know that you have manifested whatever you wanted right now with me, right? So when I'm saying that, you might be feeling that energy within you, right? My positivity I'm giving towards you, and that positivity you have got it right now. Have you got it? Just comment below in the comment box, and please don't forget to use these techniques at least one time, and I'm sure that you can definitely get whatever things you wanted by raising your vibration. Trust me guys, this works 100%. Trust me, this works 100%. If after raising your vibration also you are not getting, just come back to me and just put a comment in the comment box. Let me say it. Okay. You can also visit my website www.manifestingdreamadc.com, and the link to it will be provided in the description box. Please don't forget to check it out. Okay, so see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and stay tuned.